Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today IT Center will provide you a complete insight of the support ticketing system. Before logging into the support ticketing system, you have to open the browser and type support.iiu.edu.pk in your browser. Hit enter, the same page will be loaded to you. Click on the login menu at the top right of the browser. Click on the red button Google. It is mandatory that you have to log in with your IIU Gmail account and the password and hit enter. The two-step verification, if you have already enabled it, the system will ask for the verification, do it. After completion of the verification, the system will redirect you to the dashboard screen of the support ticketing system. Currently, I have logged 3 active tickets to the system. Right now, click on My Menu so that you can go to different menus further as displayed. First, we will go to the Profile menu to check either the information and the email address that you have been given is correct or not. You can change the time zone as well. Again, click on the My Menu icon, click on the dashboard to see how the dashboard looks like. The same page that has been redirected after login. Click on the My Menu page, click on the active tickets. These are the tickets that you have logged to the support ticketing system. Currently, I have logged 3 tickets to the support ticketing system, and you can view the details of every logged tickets by clicking on the View Details button. Here is the complete details. So click on the My Menu again and click on the Close Tickets. Currently, I have no closed tickets. Here, the list of all the tickets that has been closed by the administrator, by the manager, or by the supervisors to whom you have reported the issue. Now you have to log a ticket. Click on the Open Ticket menu. The red asterisk shows these informations are mandatory and needs to be provided while logging the issue. Now click on the ticket subject. Your subject must be precise, informative, and specific to the issue. For example, currently I am logging an issue, my Gmail account, password. My Gmail account password is not correct. I will set the priority high based on the issue you are facing. The ticket category, as my ticket is related to the Gmail account, so the IT center will resolve the issue. So I will go to the IT software. And click enter. And the ticket body, you can explain the overall details related to your issue. Now scroll down. If you have any picture saved in your system to attach, you can add multiple files by clicking on the Add Another File button. Similar like that. Now click on the Create Ticket button to log the ticket to the support ticket system. So thank you, your ticket has been opened successfully and the ticket category is related to IT software department. Now this ticket will be viewed by the IT software department specific person with the given rights, and later on they will respond. Thank you.